Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to measure the Telegram app icon. I already have a new black icon installed. By default, it is blue. How do I do it? This is very simple. To do this, go into Telegram. Here you click on Settings. Now go down to the bottom and select the item, Appearance. Go down below and see that here you can change the theme of our Telegram. And at the bottom, there are different icons that we can choose from. I just choose any icon. The last 3 icons are only available for premium Telegram users, and all the others are available for free. We press OK and wait for our icon to change. To do this, exit Telegram and turn off our phone. After a couple of minutes, the icon will change. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Bye.